101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia, business and inspiration. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, smart listeners, wherever you are. Of course, this evening, as usually every Wednesday at 7 p.m., we are here with me, Erdesam, Smart Are Your Live English Discussion, Smart FM with English Communities. And of course, I'm not alone here again and again and again. Every episode, week by week, we have a special topic, and of course, always interesting to discuss about the topic. And before we are going to talking about our topic for this evening, of course, I would like to introduce our guests. From a view English community in Sulawesi, especially in Makassar. And as my promise to you, smart listeners, of course, I would like to invite them before I mention the topic. Okay, please use this, please. Hi guys, how is it going? Good evening. Hi.
Hello. It's pretty good.
Hey, hello. It's pretty good. What about you?
Hello.
Use this.
Okay, I'm good, guys.
Good. Okay. Welcome. In our radio station, Smart FM, in second floor, of course, at Smart of Your Life English Discussion. In our second home, of course, it's Smart FM. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, please introduce yourself one by one, guys. Start from you. You know the clue, right? What is your name?
Okay.
What is your English community? How it looks like? What about the schedule? Come on, please.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thanks for the opportunity to have been here. It's an honor for me. My name is Fikri Ahmad Zaki, but my nickname is Fikri. I'm from BPC Makassar. BPC Makassar in one of the English community has been exists since maybe
Thinking.
Maybe 1946.
86.
Yep.
Okay, it means that totally 39.
Yep.
39 years old. Oh my god.
Yep.
BPC is your old brother.
Yep. You can say that.
Okay, welcome back, Fikri, from BPEC in our second home. Next, please introduce yourself. What is your name? What is your English community? How it looks like? And what about the agenda or schedule, please?
Okay. Hello, everyone. I am Aris. Also, you can call me Aris, guys.
Mm-hmm.
And also, I'm from BPEC representative. I'm Sam of Fikri.
Okay.
He is my senior from the community.
Mm-hmm.
About BPC.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe any question?
How do we call you, Aris?
What?
Aris.
Yes, right.
Aris.
Yes,
Okay.
Aris.
What is your activity now, Aris?
Right now, I will.
You are. I am. No, will.
I am.
Using present tense. What is your activity now?
I'm busy in my campus about I have the commit to use the basic training from my campus about
Anyway, what is your department on your campus? What is your department, jurusan?
Oh, I mean about economy.
Economy.
Yes, right.
Okay, economic. What semester, Aris?
Right now I'm third semester.
Third semester.
Yeah. Right.
Okay. Welcome, but not welcome
Okay.
back. Welcome because this is your first time. Yeah.
Yes, that's
of
right.
Of course. Okay. Congratulations for you.
Okay.
Okay. I'll be back
Thank you so
to
much.
you, Aris. Okay. Next.
Well,
The popular man. Okay. Please, you know the clue.
Okay, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
First of all, it's an honor to be here again. So, hello, smart listener. My name is Aldan Wiranata, and my nickname Aldan. And I am the representative of MEX, which is Al-Markas for Hudi and Lightning Studies.
Okay.
We are located in Al-Markas Mosque. And then, of course, we conduct 3 meetings in a week, which is Tuesday, and Saturday.
Okay.
Our activity basically discussions, and we have another activity beside English as well. So you might join us directly on the place, or maybe you can find us on Instagram
Max Almarkas underscore. So for you smart listener, you may join us. It's free.
Okay.
Thank
Free
you.
of charge. Yeah, coming, smart listeners. Okay, you may coming to BPEC. You may coming to Max. Yeah, BBC on Rotterdam and Max in Almarkas. Yeah. Okay, are you ready, guys?
Yeah,
Very-
that's right.
Okay, that's our introduce to you guys, my listeners. Based on my promise to you guys that I would like to mention our topic for this evening, and our topic is one stop living. Giving applause for us. One stop living. Yeah. Talking about one stop living. This is we talking about pola hidup, lifestyle, and one stop living means that when you have position or where you live in many facility, yeah, you get easy to access everywhere, to access gasoline station, to access hospital, to access supermarket, public facility, yes, mosque, yeah, and everything that you can access by easy, guys. Everything is there in one system, one environment, and very near, super close to everywhere if you want to access many facilities, guys. Yeah, talking about one stop living, I would like to ask the speaker what their perspective about this lifestyle. Even you are not live in the privileged cluster, even you just live in like how to say, simple environment, not the privileged cluster, but of course you can get easy to everywhere, and you can get access what the rich one can get access, you also can get access, right? Okay, I'll start from Fikri. Yeah, what is your perspective on your mind about one stop living itself?
Okay. Thank you for the opportunity. I think if we see from the definition that we can the place is strategies.
Yes.
It's
Okay.
strategies. You can go anything
Mm-hmm.
really near from your home.
Yeah.
For example, if you want to access school, you can get school in near your home or hospital. I think it's okay, and I think it's good
You
strategy.
also super close from Rumah Kuning, right?
Yep, because from your house.
You know what I mean? Uh-huh.
If you don't know where is my home, my house is near from Yellow House. Some people say that is scary. I think it's good strategies if you talk about the location of the house. Why that it's really near from what do you want, like supermarket or hospital or school, something else. It's very near, and it's easier to access thing, and it's more efficient.
Yeah. Also, like to the cafe.
Yeah, cafe,
Yeah.
cafe,
Uh-huh.
hospital or something else.
Oh wow.
Even the petrol station.
Ah, okay. Petrol station, yeah.
Yep.
Okay. And do you have a paddle?
Um,
Paddle place?
Unfortunately not. But we have tennis.
Oh, tennis.
Yes,
Okay.
in Syed Yusuf.
Okay. So you have Discovery, yeah.
Yeah, in Syed Yusuf Discovery.
Oh, jogging track.
Yeah, you
Oh
can
my
try
God.
also.
The longest jogging track in South Sulawesi, yeah.
Yep,
And Sayus of Discovery, yeah, in Goa, right?
yep. And
Oh, that's cool.
and that place is near from my house.
Oh yeah, it's super close.
Yep, it's
Okay.
super
But
close.
you need to bike motorcycle, yeah. Don't to walking.
It's up to me. Sometimes I use motorcycle, but sometimes I use bicycle to go to there.
Walking
Seldom.
someday.
Someday.
Okay, thank you. I move to Alden. What about you? What is your perspective on your mind when we talking about one-stop living?
Okay. Thank you very much for the question. So it's a really nice topic to be discussed.
Soccer stadium.
Yeah. Well, for your informations, I'm living in Baronbong right now,
Uh-huh.
and then of course that I think we're still in developing space
Mhm.
because I
So
can say that
almost,
almost, yeah.
yeah.
We of course we all know that Baronbong has a limit access, like because the more populations were living in Barombong, but
Mhm.
somehow the access is still not really good, right?
Mhm.
But somehow we are getting better
Mhm.
in terms of residents. So, well,
Yeah, a lot of residents.
a lot of
there.
residents, So people think that it's a really good place to stay in Barombong, because you can actually get several access,
Mhm.
which is you can go to the many brands,
Mhm.
like ice cream, drinks, or many kinds of foods that
Mhm.
are also available. But we also have what do we call it, like
Close
jogging
to the
track,
mall.
jogging
Yeah,
track,
close to
yeah.
the mall.
Yeah, close to the mall, which is the
Mhm.
SM,
Mhm.
and also we have stadium,
Yeah.
even though it's still unfinished yet. but but you know what? There's so many people using that stadium for jogging tracks, also for
okay.
doing several sports.
And also like pelayaran ya, kampus
Yeah,
pelayaran.
pelayaran. And the most interesting thing as Barombong citizens is near from the beach. Maybe you guys
yeah.
really far from the beach.
Okay.
If you want to go to Layar Putih, for example, if you want to go to Akarena,
Mm.
I can even ride by my bicycle to get there actually.
Mm.
So, well, it's still really good place, maybe someday, like 5 years later, it will become better.
Mhm.
As long as the bridge is. Yeah, I think that's all for now.
Okay, what about the bridge? It's
Yeah.
traffic or
Yeah, of course. Every time at 6 o'clock, if it's Maghrib time, I prefer not to back at I prefer not to back at my house first, because I know that the traffic will be congestion. That's why I will be back at 8 o'clock, because it's kinda really boring. It takes like 30 minutes to pass the bridge.
Oh, you wait the moment.
Yeah, I wait the
you-
moment.
The
I wait the moment.
strategic
Yeah, I wait the
time.
moment. Maybe like after Isha, and then I will pass the bridge.
Okay, thank you. It's a get closer with what's Tom living,
Yeah,
right?
getting
Okay,
closer.
getting closer. Okay, what about you, Aris? How do you think about our topic for this evening?
Well, thank you for my turn right now. Talking about one stop living, it's talking about the advantage about from the people.
Mm-hmm.
The people, a lot of people is have been half about that.
Yeah.
Because many facility, the people will access about that.
Mm-hmm.
And also if the facility is you can access to public.
Anyway, where do you live?
Right now I'm live in no. Right now in
Where?
one km from Faculty Engineering from Unhas.
Malino Street?
I mean in the
Macanda?
housing.
Yes, I mean
Grand
like-
Sulawesi.
Sorry?
Housing of Grand Sulawesi.
Oh, the name of the residence.
No, I mean like the area, like Malino Street, Desa Mata, Patalasang, Macanda, Mawang. Where is the location?
In
You know the area? Near from UIN, Samata?
Yes, right. But if you use to your motorcycle,
Mm-hmm.
you can get the in Samata
Mhm.
in 2 km
2 km.
from my house.
Yeah.
Right.
So where do you live actually? The area. My question is
Samata. Just please say the question.
Samata, Manggarupi, Mawang, or Patalasang, Malino Street.
Actually, specific in Bontomaranu.
Oh,
Buang
Malino
Kemaran.
Street.
Yes, right.
Yeah, that's
It's
the point.
Then it's in
Malino Street.
there. Yeah.
So, how do you think about Bontomaranu, Kecamatan Bontomaranu? Is this included of one-stop living, or not yet or get close with one stop living, or what? The categorize. What is the categorize the area you live?
The category is like the village,
Mm-hmm.
like the village,
Uh-huh.
and around from my housing,
Mm-hmm.
it's many people to live in the neighbor.
Mm-hmm.
So many house,
Mm-hmm.
and also if we're talking about the one stop living,
It's not
Yeah.
yet.
actually I can get the facility
Mm-hmm.
if I how to say,
Go to Sungai Minasa.
right, that's right.
So it's not part of one stop living area.
Yes.
Because if you have necessary, you need to go far away
Yeah.
to Sungai Minasa, Samata, Alauding.
Yeah,
Right.
we must to use our motorcycle to access that, because almost around from my house.
Okay, so
Right.
you're living near from SMA Bonto Marano,
Right,
Fakultas Teknik Unhas.
that's right.
Okay, Pasar Balang-Balang.
Yes, that's right.
I
Yeah.
know well. I know so well about Goa, right?
Okay.
Okay. Everyone is ambassador. I am tourism ambassador. Okay. So where is your originality?
I'm from Jeneponto, right?
Oh, Jeneponto.
Yes, that's right.
Where is the location? Bangkala?
Binamu.
Binamu,
Yeah.
Kecamatan Binamu.
Yes.
Okay, what is the main local productive?
Local productivity,
Is
Just-
like jagung or what?
just about farmer.
Farmer.
Yes.
Okay.
Around from my house in
Mhm.
the Jeneponto.
Okay. So talking about one-stop living, how do you categorize your area in Bonto Marano? Is there close with one-stop living, or still not yet, or not at all, or what?
For me,
Mhm. For you.
it's so near actually.
Oh.
Yes.
It's near.
Because it's so easy.
Almost, yeah.
Yes, right.
Okay. Get close with 3 campus, 4 campus, like Pol
Right.
Bantang,
Right, that's right.
Teknik Unhas,
Exactly.
UIN.
Right.
Okay, 3 campus. But you know, still far. Come
Still
on.
far. Right.
Still far. But if you want to go to like Wisata Kebun, it's near.
Okay, that's
yes.
right.
It's Wisata Kebun. To say what is the Dewi Sri? Yeah, it's near. Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Okay, if you want to go to Stadion Sudiang, it's so far.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, yeah. Still with us here, yeah. 101.1 Smart FM, the Spirit of Indonesia, and talking about one-stop living, smart listeners, wherever you are. Still with Aldan from Max, Aris from BPEC, and of course, Fikri from BPEC. My next question, Aldan, how do you think? What is the weakness living in one-stop living area? The weakness, yes.
Well, as urban people, we all want to get everything easily, right? Which is for example the access.
But you know, nothing is perfect.
nothing is perfect, of
That's
course.
why we're talking about the weakness.
Once up living, I will give you an example of living in apartments. You know, living in apartment for some people is also really good actually, right? Because it doesn't takes a lot of lands. You know, for example, in Jakarta, we can see that the affordability of land is almost gone, right?
Yeah.
No more land. If you well, of course there are several land, but it's really expensive. That's why living in apartments is a really good option for people in Jakarta. But somehow living in apartment is has several bad activities. You know, has several negative impacts. For example, if you're one stop living, of course you're living in a crowd. in a crowded people, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, a lot of people, some people actually think that it's better to have calm situations, you know,
Mhm.
like quiet situations. But if you're living in a place where one-stop living, you're living in a crowd, you're living in a noise situation, you know.
Mhm.
When you go outside, then you will
Mhm.
always hear, you
It's
know,
not
like
good for introvert, super
yeah.
introvert. It's
yeah,
not
it's
good.
not
Yeah.
good for those kind of people, you know.
Mhm, mhm.
Always hear the sound of the vehicles, you know, a lot of bad things, and also sometimes about the you know, like the garbage, you know, the garbage, you know. If you're living in a crowd, of course, not everyone are disciplined on throwing all the garbage that from their
Mhm.
houses. That's why you know, once of living, if they have poor managements on you know, like cleaning the environment will be bad, you know, compared to you know, like rural area, which is Barombong and any other places, you know.
Mhm. Always, yeah, Barumbong.
Yeah. I mean,
Barombong
Barombong
type.
has really good air, you know.
Uh.
Has really good air because since you know, they're blocking the ways for the big truck, you know, for the big truck, because it's kind of really dangerous for congestion in the bridge, on the
Okay,
bridge, you
there
know.
is no access for big truck.
There's no action, but there's a legal or illegal action.
Okay, okay.
That's why it has more good air.
Mhm.
And then in Baramong again, we don't need to wear helmet. You know, I mean, like there is no. It's bad, you know. We have to use helmet every time we go. Yeah, but in Marambong
There is no etle, tilang
there's no
electronic. There is
etle. So people out there go outside without using helmet and without using helmet.
Really?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, wow.
There's no traffic light, you know.
Mhm.
But still, you need to use helmet. Yeah.
Mhm.
I think that's all.
Jangan ditir di rumah ya.
Yeah, it's better to go wherever we go, even though there's no policy. You need to wear helmet, you know, for the safeness. Yeah.
Mhm.
I think that's there's nothing is perfect, you know. It all depends on the preference of other people, you know.
Mhm.
Maybe for the young people, they love to, you know, the needs of every person are different, right?
Mhm.
A lot of people really like to spend time in many places. For example, mall, and then move to the park,
Mhm.
and move to the any other places, right?
Mhm.
But you know, I'm not typically a person who always you know, going into many places in one time. You know,
Mhm, mhm.
you know, move to the mall and then move to another mall. You know, it's kind of really tired for me.
Mhm.
So it's all depends on preference. of
Better
people.
going to hills.
Yeah.
Yeah?
The nature.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Nature.
Like Pondok Ashabujan. The hills, yeah, it's
So
very fresh.
you know, when Allah invited me, it was a really good option for me because I want to heal as well, right?
Okay, thank you, Alden. Okay, what about you, Aris?
Well,
Yes, Aris, what is the weakness of live in one-stop living, in your opinion?
okay, thanks for my turn. In about from my opinion is so many people will access about that,
Mm-hmm.
and also if you like he said about introvert, you
I see.
you really
Uh-huh.
you really get the bad thing about that,
Uh-huh,
right?
uh-huh.
And also if the people so many people is to how to say rame
Crowd.
so crowd is
Mhm.
it's really
It sounds like
maybe,
Socrates. Socrates. Okay, continue.
maybe it's so nice. And
Mhm.
also if you wanna get the alone thing and alone about yourself is maybe you get to annoying about that. You get
Mm.
annoying.
Which one you are? You are introvert, extrovert?
Maybe in the middle.
Oh, ambivert.
Right.
You're ambivert.
Maybe.
Okay.
I
maybe.
just wanna adjust myself about
Mhm.
my around
Uh-huh.
my friend,
Uh-huh.
like you three, like
Uh-huh.
three of you.
like you guys.
I just wanna adjust myself.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Do you still have any edition, or you keep your statement?
Edition.
Uh-huh. You keep your statement.
That's right.
You keep your statement.
Okay, that's all.
I move to you, Fikri. Yeah. what is the weakness of one stop living area like in Mangarupi? What is the weakness?
Okay, if talk the crowded, I think
Banjir?
yeah, that one of the our problem. The problem really. The what is flute?
Yeah.
Flute. Well, it's one of the main problem actually of flood crowded. If it's really crowded, we will get traffic jam. Really,
Traffic?
even like even in the evening, there's sometimes cows.
Yeah, yeah. Really?
Really?
There is a cows?
Yep. Really. Even
Antang lah.
no, even in Mangarupi.
There is cow?
Because as you know that in my house in front of my residence there is what is lapangan?
Field.
Yeah, there is a field. With a lot of grass.
Gold cave?
Yeah, no. In front of Gold Cave.
Yeah.
There is a field, right? There's a
I can
field.
use a cave.
There is a field, a lot of grass in there. And
Oh,
sometimes,
really?
yes, really.
How many cows there?
Honestly, I don't count it. And I really don't. For what?
I think you
Honestly, for why I count this cow really?
Okay, go
Um,
ahead.
honestly, I count this cow really? For what? If I wanna steal it, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, no, you?
Not really.
No, really.
Even some people really annoying about that.
Mhm.
Sometimes already masa ko terkasih pendek ke anu yang cepat-cepat sekali. Really like
Talking about okay, continue.
so that's why sometimes the crowded maybe our field crowded and maybe the land so expensive.
So how can you solve the problem about the floods? It's because it's aware every year you feel you have a full floods.
Okay.
What is your solution?
From in my area, I think the main of the cause of the problem is sometimes I see the rubbish in the
Mhm. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What is English?
How to say Solokan? Sorry.
Solokan in
dryness.
dryness in
Yeah.
a lot of dryness in dryness.
Mhm.
Really, it's so you know that the cause of the food is bad, right?
Mhm.
I still think,
But
how-
why happened floods? Why? Why happened?
the cause.
Yeah, what is the cause of floods?
That's why
area.
the sometimes the people
Mhm.
don't consider about that thing
Mhm.
and furthermore that the rain
Mhm. Of the rain.
plus rubbish
Mhm.
equal flood.
Oh yeah, yeah. So don't you want to get under to rubbish or rain?
I think it's hard for me. If I alone, I think not only me because this is how to say like it is like our community must consider about this
Mhm.
and to fix this. I think the not to make a new facility
Mhm.
but to elevate consider of member of the community,
Mhm.
especially in your community like
Mhm.
your neighbor or
Mhm.
something else.
Mhm. How can make our neighbor is aware about the rubbish? Do you have a have a suggestion or campaign or volunteering or what?
Maybe campaign, okay,
Mhm.
but I think by effectively educate them how to how important to
For example.
like you can say what is the negative impact if you do this,
Mhm.
what is the positive impact,
Mhm.
and how to what's the menghindari, how to avoid this again.
Mhm.
Even if you make a new facility for that,
Mhm.
it would be, I think it's useless. Is the main problem from the people.
Mhm.
And honestly, it's difficult because I don't know working you guys, but sometimes our people sometimes stubborn about this. It's difficult for even for me. It is really, if you see the in our environment, it's very stubborn.
Okay.
Or from maybe for younger first, or maybe or maybe someone who have considered about this issue.
Okay, thank you, Fikri. Okay, what about you? What is the advantage when we live in one-stop living?
Well, as you know about the topic, one-stop living is so much advantage. You can get the something.
For example, when your wife get how to say pregnant, and you just get closer, very close, yeah, to bring your wife to the hospital, right? Okay, please continue. Explain.
Okay. For me also is actually if in my home is not don't have the foods, I will go out. I will go outside in front of the Faculty of Engineering to buy something to can it.
Like ice creamer.
What?
Like ice creamer.
Ice cream and also
Cendol Malino.
right. but the main thing I wanna eat is fried rice.
Fried rice.
And also yellow rice.
Yellow rice. Nasi kuning.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I very like it. Oh my
Okay,
lord.
continue.
Also, and about the advantage,
Mhm.
you can get the many facility positive about how much student around of my house, like
A lot of
the-
boarding house there, right? Boarding house, dormitory, boarding house.
right, but I right now I get the permanent house.
Oh, permanent house.
Yes, right.
Not permanent residence.
Oh my lord.
Like in Australia, work holiday visa. You keep your statement?
Just that.
Okay, you keep your statement. Then, what is the advantages according your perspective on your opinion about the one-stop living?
One-stop living, yeah. Of course. Well, before I want to, before I deliver my statements, what do you think? You rather buy house in the middle of the city, but it costs 100 million or 500, not 1 billion, and then you rather buy a house which is only cost 300 millions, but really far from the facilities, right? So that is the case right now. Even here in Makassar,
Yeah.
it is kind of impossible for young people because as a young people, it's really impossible for us to own 800 million to buy a house here in middle of city, which is Petarani, right?
Yeah.
It's really expensive, that's why a lot of people move to Barombong because it's cheaper than in the middle of the city, which is Petarani, right? That's why a lot of people choose Barombong. It's not because because it's really far from the facilities, right? It's really far from the hospital, but maybe like if you want to go to the hospital, maybe you will find hospital in Takalar or probably in
Galesong.
Galesong. Yeah,
It's very
new,
close,
it's new,
right?
It's very close, It's very close. Yeah, it's a big question. It's a big question whether you want to spend more money living in a city or not. That's why well, of course, if you want to get more, everything is really close. You have to spend more money from that, right? Because everything that close from the old facility are expensive, right? That's why it is not everyone can get those facilities. Not everyone got these facilities unless you have a lot of money. You can buy the strategic house. For example, here in Jakarta, because I was in there, and then a lot of people actually commuting. They live in Bogor but they work in Jakarta because they work as a labor.
Yeah.
Because they think that it's the money is not enough to buy a house in Jakarta, right?
Okay.
So, well, it's happening actually. Maybe there are several people who actually have to. I have a friends actually which is work in Makassar, and then they have to, and then their house in Maros,
Yeah.
because they think that they still have don't enough money to buy a house, or maybe around what do we call it, like kos-kosan, right? Dormitory, something like that, because it is actually the problem, right? So it is not that easy living in the city, since everything is expensive. A lot of people said that in 10 years later, living in an apartment is it's a good option because everything is near, and then we don't need to buy a lot of land, something like that, because that's in my opinion.
Okay, one sentence. For the one-stop living. One
One
sentence.
sentence.
This is the last.
Fulfill one sentence.
Mhm.
Well, fulfilling our needs.
Fulfilling our needs. Okay, thank you. One sentence of one-stop living.
Well, just little. Be grateful because so many advantages about that. You can get around of your house, around of yourself maybe. That's right. That's right about privilege.
Okay, thank you. One sentence of our topic for this evening. One-stop living.
It is a really strategic area location that you can go everything where you wanna go. As even if you wanna buy really cheap goods, it's near from you.
Okay,
Even-
thank you guys. Okay, give a applause for us. Yes, thank you Fikri from BPC. Thank you Arisya from BPC. Thank you Alden from Max. That's all our discussion. Yeah, Smart Up Your Life English discussion. Smart Up FM. Yeah, with English communities, and of course in our episode for this evening. And the topic is One Stop Living with English communities. See you for the next week. Bye bye. Good night, smart listeners.